Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm tripping mushrooms. I thought you were like legit a towel.
That ain't cool, man.
What's that?
I know you pulled it out of your pocket. Why are you filming that? Hey, you don't got the copyright. Oh, you don't got the copyright. Remember that. They're filming shit up in here. Copyright infringement.